Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to install the Linux on Windows 11, that is called WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. First of all, we need to enable its feature. On the search you need to type here Windows feature, and once you search Windows feature you should able to get this option, turn Windows feature on or off. Open that up, and inside this we need to enable two services, two folders called virtual machine platform. Tick this box, and the second one is Windows subsystem for Linux. Once two boxes are ticked, you need to click on OK. Now restart your Windows. I'm going to restart my Windows and then I will resume the video. Now I have restarted the Windows, and once you have restarted the Windows, just open the command prompt as admin, and you need to type here the command WLS space double hyphen, and then you need to type here the command status. Now Windows system is currently not installed. Now we need to type here Microsoft and simply open the Microsoft here store and type here Ubuntu. I'm going to use the Ubuntu. Just you need to click on get app, and once you get this app, here you will see its version. So let's wait here for a few seconds, and then it's downloaded. Now let's open it. Now you need to press any key to install the 2.6.1 version. So after you press any key, it will automatically install after the using WSL hyphen status. Now we can press up arrow key and simply type here update. Just give double colon and then update. It is already installed on the Linux. Now what you need to do is just close this, open the Ubuntu here, and it's going to again installing few seconds. Once the Ubuntu is installed and you open that up, you can see it will ask you the first username. So create your username here. I'm creating test. Enter the password and reconfirm it. Now installation successful, and we are into the this directory now. So now we are into the root directory. So how to check? Let me show you. Cd space dot dot, you need to give the command. Now we are at a home directory. Now again you need to type here ls list directory, and here is the username I have. Now in order to go to the directory of my system, Windows system, so I can press the command cd space dot dot and this arrow key. Now let's type the command ls, and once you type the command ls, we need to look for the mount option so that we can access our Windows directory. You need to type the command cd mnt mount, and now we need to go to the directory of ls. Now list the directory. C and D drive I have. If I show you in my Windows, C and D drive, I can go to this directory or I can go to this directory as well. How to go to this directory? Let me show you. You need to type the command cd, then the drive letter where you want to go. I am going to C, and let's press ls. Now same file and folders I have. You can see these, and if I go to cd d cd dot dot, and now let's again ls, now cd d. Now I'm in a D directory now, ls list. You can see here I have the ls. Now we have already gone through these Ubuntu, VMware and Windows 10. So I can already RS2 extractor, you can see here. So if I want to again go back to the C directory, you can press here the command cd dot dot. Now type the command cd c, and now let's ls. Now we are able to get the C directory information, and if you want to go to the again D directory, type as cd dot dot. Now command cd d, and let's ls. See, so this is how guys you can use your Ubuntu. So if you want to make the directory, so mkdr is the command, mkdr test, mkdir test. Now let's see whether the test is created. You can see here we have successfully created the test. Cd test, and we are into the cd folder now. If you want to create another file of inside the test, mkdir new test, this is the folder name I'm creating. Now let's see. You can see here new and test, two folder are created separately. When you give the two space and when you type only here this, so only this folder will be created here. So I hope guys this tutorial is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.